It's so cool I'm finally here. Like, I am solo traveling for the first time, and I'm here in Fez. I always get nervous when I'm vlogging with somebody else.
It's fine. Same here.
So I finally met up with my tour guide from Fab Fez Tours. Her name is Fatima.
Yeah?
Fatima. So she's going to show me around the way inside the Medina and then outside the Medina as well. We're going to do some exploring on a full day tour. She was just explaining to me about the Fez Medina being like the oldest and largest Medina in the world.
Yeah.
And being a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
From 1918. Yeah?
Yeah, and then so we're going to do some exploring, looking around, and then I'll catch up in a minute. So right now we are heading to the Blue Gate, which is the main entrance.
The main entrance to the oldest city. Yeah.
The main entrance to the oldest city. How many entrances are there?
14.
14?
Yes.
That's a lot.
Small and secret entrances as
Yeah.
well.
Wow, there's 14 entrances.
Yeah.
Blue Gate being the main one. So it's a very big Medina, isn't it then? That it was built in 708. 789
Yeah.
by Moulay Idris the First.
Yeah.
So it's
And
very, very
the
old.
Moulay Idris II.
Yeah.
In 808.
Wow. So as it's quite old, it's not built for cars and modern transport.
Yeah. The Medina of Fez came to the 12th century, 1,200 years till now.
So it's 1,200 years old.
Yes.
That is very, very old. So yeah, so all the transport, it's all like very narrow roads, very little tight alleyways, and the transport is like donkeys and mules. Is there the Blue Gate?
13 exactly.
So that's the main entrance.
The original.
Original, the one in the middle.
No, this is the main entrance, but the original gate is the small one in the corner. Okay?
This corner?
Yeah, that one there.
Oh, okay.
That one renovated by the French people in 1930.
Oh, so it's renovated by the French, and they've made that one. Oh, okay.
And the architecture, we do have plaster, mosaic, and wood. All
Yeah.
the wood in the oldest city is from cedar.
Oh, cedar wood, yeah.
The blue color is Fez color.
Color Fez.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The other side is green. Green because the Medina of Fez is the spiritual city. So
Yeah.
we started by the green in the other side.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
All
interesting.
over Morocco, when you find a green roof like this, means
Yeah.
the place is a mosque,
Yeah.
a shrine, or a holy house.
Okay. Yeah. So we made it through the Blue Gate, and I don't know if you can see, but on this side it's green. It's a really nice green color, I really like it. And on the other side it's blue. Now we're gonna go inside. We're in the Medina now. Is there different parts like of the Medina, or is more, the Medina is like one big thing?
One big.
It's one big thing. Okay. So just walking past and came to this daub shop. I really like this one. I bought one already from Shashawan.
Black.
Oh, this one is nice. I really like this one, but I've only got one in red. But this one is quite nice. I really like that. There's the blue one. There's this blue one that I really like. But I want a all plain black one for my brother. There's some chickens or hens over here. Got some live butcheries going on. And got some meat and eggs. So the meat is fresh. You just go and then freshly butchered meat. So we've got a medjool date over here, which is recommended. It's like the best one with walnuts inside. So I'm gonna try that. sweet. Nice. I like it. Good. So just over here, they've got was an old clock that doesn't work anymore, and it used to run with water.
Yeah.
But the person who used to run it has died. But no one knows how to fix it, get it running again. That's quite cool though.
They're trying to fix it.
Yeah. And there's a famous cafe clock, which is also in Chefchaouen and Marrakesh. I've been to the Chefchaouen one, it's nice. But yeah, so is that how the cafe was made?
Yeah, because of this one.
Oh, because of this. That's so cool. And you can't go inside it?
It's closed.
Oh. Okay, so now we're at this place where they do dried meat. It's like dried beef, where they dry it for 5 months.
They dry it for like 10 days on the rooftop.
Yeah.
Then we cook it for 5 or 4 hours.
Yeah.
And after that we can keep it for more than 5 months.
Okay.
Yeah, without
and
prejudice.
That one is in fat and that one is in oil.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna try some. And you said it's like beef jerky.
Yeah.
I've never tried beef jerky.
They told me that it's soft.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah. More quite popular in the US. Yeah.
Beef jerky is popular in the US, yeah. Oh, it's nice.
So, yeah, that's good. It's delicious.
I like it.
Yeah? Normally we hit it up with eggs, as I told you.
So they have it with eggs for breakfast in the morning.
Yeah.
Okay, I like it. I thought I wasn't gonna like it.
Like it?
Yeah. It's like a little salty, but it's good.
They need a lot of salt to dry it.
Yeah. That's good. Okay, I enjoyed that. Okay, so we are at
Bouanania school.
I could not pronounce that. And it's
one of the oldest, biggest Quranic schools in Fez. It's built in 1351 till 1357. It's like 6 years to build the whole buildings in here.
Yeah.
It's built by Abu Inan Faris al-Marini. Is one from the famous founders in the Marinid dynasty.
people come here to do hifz and memorize the Quran by heart.
Yeah.
But is it open like for prayer as well during the day?
It's a mosque as well. Yeah.
Okay. And then there's rooms here where people stay in.
Yeah.
So, and is that the rooms?
Yes.
So people stay here and do hifz and memorize the Quran by heart. And it's one of the oldest and biggest Quranic schools in Morocco.
In Fez.
Just in Fez.
Yeah. Also in Morocco, because we have a lot of Quranic schools from 14th century built by the Marinid dynasty.
And everything is all hand carved.
Yeah.
So you've got cedar wood at the top, you've got plaster, and then you've got mosaics, and then you've got marble, which is from Italy.
Yeah.
And where are the mosaics from?
Morocco.
They're from Morocco.
Fez, yeah. We're gonna go to see how they made it later.
So all this intricate detail, it's all handmade. And you got Arabic carved in, and you got this huge door as well. It's all like handmade. cool that looks. So we are in this ceramic kind of place where they make metal plates all by hand, and it's all handmade and it looks so cool in here. Got like silverware and like gold as well, and it's all doing it by hand, and all the patterns are all from memory as well, so he knows all the patterns. So yeah, it looks really cool over here. So this is how it starts.
No, like all by imagination. This is simples.
Yeah.
But when you finish it, we are going to make the points from here, and after we plan design piece by piece. You will make it this, until they finish the plate like this. You will be like this one here. After we do shipping.
Okay, so there's signs like these. We've got three different kind of languages. The first one is Arabic, that goes from right to left. The second one is Berber, which goes from left to right. Similar like English, but it's not actually like alphabet, they're characters. And then the third one is French. So just stopped by this door, and quite an interesting fact that I was just told, which I actually never knew about, even though I've seen so many vlogs, that I thought this was two doors. Oh, no, I thought this was one door, but it's actually two doors. There's a smaller one with a doorknob over here, and there's a bigger one with a doorknob over here. Now if someone knocks over here, it means that it's from the family. So someone from the family, or a woman opening the door for a woman, and doesn't need to cover her hair, doesn't need to wear a headscarf. And if it was that one, then it means that she needs to cover her hair, her face, whole face, and she has to wear the headscarf. So that's quite interesting. And both of them have two different sounds. And then this one over here, the hand of Fatima, is a symbol. Is that for like protection?
Yeah, protect against the bad luck.
And then there's different ones. So if it's got 5 fingers, then that means it's an Arab family or a big family. And if it's 3, then it's a Berber family. Quite interesting. That's very interesting. Yeah. So I was here earlier on when I was exploring by myself, and then it was like a museum. I don't know what for, but it's like a carpentry kind of museum for like wooden ornaments, old things. And this is in the middle. In the heart of the Medina. We're in the heart of the Medina, in the center. And they've got like carpenters do some woodwork over here. And then yeah, the museum you can go in and look at the stuff from like...
One from the famous fountain, Nazarian fountain in here.
Oh. So it's not just only wood, but they also do these copper kind of things. And look how cool that looks. Oh, he wants me to go inside. Okay, that's really cool, and these are huge. Is that what they have for like in weddings?
That's for a wedding chair for
carrying
the bride.
I've seen that in Arab culture.
Yeah, and more simple for the groom, the one up there.
Oh, okay.
Because in our Moroccan wedding we carry the bride and the groom.
That is so nice.